Swift Company Limited started its operation on October 17, 1986 in Thailand. Swift has its headquarters in Kamphaeng Sang, Thailand, and more than 200 strong sales, production, and administrative support staff oversee all produce procurement, transportation, and sales efforts. The mission of the company is to supply premium quality produce of the highest international standard of the food safety to the market. Premium quality supply from farms flows to the company's packhouse daily from a network of contracted growers. The processing of the factory is certified under the HACCP system and BRC standard. Every day, 365 days a year, the company's products are shipped to countries in Europe, Japan, Korea, Australia, the Middle East, Hong Kong, and the USA. Each year, we export over 1,000 tons of mango to various countries. Advantages of our mango Nam Dok Mai, Thailand Golden Mango. 1. Our mango certified global GAP, which is the world's leading farm assurance program. It is the world's most widely implemented farm certification scheme. 2. The growing area located on highland with well balance of rainwater. This is the most important point for our mango to produce most delicious sweetness in Thailand. 3. The growing area has laterite soil type, red earth, which can be found in mixed forest. Therefore, taste of mango is sweeter than other growing areas. 4. Our mango is harvested with high maturity stage. Therefore, when mango is fully ripened, the taste is extremely sweet.